Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for a Anfield Road Expansion update. Coming over from the Cop this side because I want to see if there's any seats being installed. If you look at the video now when I was at the match, there's quite a lot of seats that have gone in since I'd last been inside the ground. So they've really cracked on with it. You can see, and that stand looks very imposing with them seats now. It helps with the that upper tier being a single bank of seats. That's gonna generate some noise. That tier. I reckon it'll be louder than the Cop because there's no tier in the middle, so there's no third tier. It looks very big, very massive. What kind of grammar was I coming up with then? Yeah, it's massive in there. So we're going to get just over the Cop and we'll zoom in. Ah, there we go. So more seats in here down the right hand side. Yeah, there's quite a lot on in there. But why no brackets up here? And there's no one working up there now, is there? They're around midday now that I'm here. Yeah. So yeah, I was here for the Leicester match. It was a good game. Liverpool played really well, apart from the first 3 minutes when he conceded early. But it should have been a cricket score, that game. But Dom scored a great goal. Dom Szoboszlai, brilliant goal from him. Just funded it right in the top corner. Here it is. Boom, and that's how you do it. From my point of view, he just took it, got out his feet and just smashed it right into the top corner. Brilliant goal it was. Right, so I'm going to get a bit lower. That'll do me. I don't want to go any lower than that. And I don't want to fly into the grounds either. I want to respect their space in there. So yeah, quite a few seats gone in this side. Not much, if I'm being honest, but when I spoke to the guy that first week, when the new company took over, and he said he wanted, the plan is to have fans in for the Everton game. I think they're on track now to have fans in for the Everton game. The only thing I don't know is what it looks like inside the concourse, if that's anywhere near being done, being ready. Going to get a bit higher now, but yeah, as I said that day when he told me the info about wanting to be ready for Everton, very windy. I'll tell you what, let's have a look at the yeah, when he told me about wanting to be ready for Everton, he was under no pressure to say that, you know what I mean? He could have just said, you know, it'll be ready in the new year. But he seemed adamant that he'll be ready for the Everton game, and it seems though he's going to be right that he'll be ready for the Everton game. So yeah, Right, I'm going to call it a day here, guys, and I'm going to go round to the car park over there, so it'll take me about 10 minutes to bring it down, get round and set up. To you, be the blink of an eye. I'll see you in a minute. And just like that, I'm back. Right, so this is interesting. On my way round, I've just received a piece of information. Right, that everyone, right, and you can help me out with this. Okay, right, I've just been told that the Everton game is a maximum capacity sellout. 61,000 fans are going to be in the grounds for the Everton game. What do you think? Will it be? Won't it be? I've just received that from a really reliable source. Okay, I will not share who that source is, but that's the information I have just been told, and that's juicy. If that's the case, then that's really good news. Let's see what these are up to down here. Let's focus on them a sec. So yeah, another piece of information I've just received is that they're not dealing with a main contractor. Is that right? Liverpool just subcontracting themselves. Maybe that's why there's not much going on site. Would that make sense? Would it be easier for Liverpool just to do that? Subcontractor work out themselves. You know, the majority that stands up in it, it's cosmetic, really, isn't it? So yeah. What's Rainer Rowan's role in all this? If that's the case, I don't know. Stop looking on this side. No one on the roof today, but yeah, that's really good news, that, you know. Let them have to break. It is, you know what, guys, I know people go on about people sitting around doing nothing. It's around lunchtime now, so you know what, people are entitled to sit down now and again. Got people going on about people standing around doing nothing, so sitting down doing nothing, you know. Where there is something going on, there's bound to be nothing going on somewhere else. No, so now I think this, especially the seats going in the way they have, especially when I was at the match the other day and saw all of it in. So I'm just receiving WhatsApps as I'm flying around. The information's coming in thick and fast. I've lost my train of thought. Absolutely lost my train of thought. I'll listen back to it and then think, oh yeah, that's what I was talking about. Was on about the seats going in? Yeah, so how fast the seats are going in, I think it was on about when I was in there the other day, I put the clip on again. I couldn't believe how many seats are in that upper tier. You know, it was a lot more than when I was last in there. So yeah, that's interesting. Sorry guys, I'm just looking at my screen, I'm looking at WhatsApps coming through. Just make sure if there's anything to share, I'll share it. It's like transfer deadline today. Start that again. It's like transfer deadline day. That's easy for me to say. Let's get the wind settled down a touch now, so I'm just going to get higher and go over the roof. 100 metres in the air. There's no one down here anyway, is there? And I'm getting strong wind warnings again, so yeah. So that's really interesting. Can it be done for the Everton match? You know, it's going to be bare bones, innit? Let's face it. It's not going to be fully functional stands, because who was it who told me? It was the guy. who told me that it was going to be ready for the Everton game. That T-bars and everything won't be ready. I don't know how far they are ahead, and I don't think we're allowed to show anything anyway if we get sent any videos. I think a couple of lads have had a couple of warnings about it. But yeah, T-bars might not be ready, but if we've got 61,000 fans in that ground for the Everton match, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And well done to all involved, well done to Liverpool Football Club for getting that sorted. You know, the club have took a lot of knocking over the summer for the stand not being ready in time, for Buckingham going bump. It seemed to be Liverpool's fault over that. Transfers, Liverpool took a lot of flack over transfers. The players we've got are doing brilliant. So yeah. It's all pointing in the right direction, and hopefully a win against Tottenham on Sunday will seal the deal this week. Oh, another thing as well, people keep saying that where it's going to keep starting and stopping every 3 days because Liverpool are playing games every 3 days. Yeah, they're playing games every 3 days, but they're not playing at Anfield every 3 days. I think the next game at Anfield now is Thursday. It's now Friday, so you know it's not going to be stopping and starting every 3 days. It's only when we play at Anfield it stops and starts. Okay, so yeah, I think people are just getting a little bit confused over it's only home games where it's going to have to stop. Okay, right, anyway guys, I'm going to leave it there. I've chatted long enough about it. Summarise, more seats in the Kop, they're looking good. Don't look over the city while I'm chatting. Possible 61,000 capacity stadium for the Everton match, and Liverpool subcontracting the work out themselves to get the work done faster. That's what I've been told from a reliable source. Cannot say who that source is, but it's all positive, so yeah. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. If anyone's got any spare tickets for Premier League matches, give me a shout, I'll buy them off you. People think I've got a season ticket. I haven't. I've got memberships with credits on, and I can only really get on the Auto Cup scheme with them. Getting Premier League games is really hard for me. So if anyone's got Premier League tickets, let me know, I'll buy them off you. Okay, if you can't make the match. So just so I can make me match day vlogs, that's all. But apart from that guys, thank you. Please comment and like, and thank you everyone for all the support. As always, look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.